The empirical relationship or the relationship based on experiments between mean, mode and median in asymmetrical distribution is mode equals to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Memorize that. Then next question, mode is the value which is repeated maximum time. So it is the value which has the highest frequency or the most frequent value. Next, the cumulative frequency table is useful in determining median. While calculating median, we make use of cumulative frequency table. If the mode of this given data is 15, so the mode is given to be 15, so 15 has to be repeated maximum times. We have 15 once, 15 twice. So to get mode as 15, even this x has to be 15, so that 15 is repeated maximum times, so the mode will be 15. So the value of x has to be 15 in order to get mode 15. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Now remember, probability of an event is either greater than 0 or equal to 0, but it has to be less than or equal to 1. So probability lies between 0 and 1, but it cannot be greater than 1. In this case, this number 1.5 is greater than 1, so it cannot be the probability of an event. Next, the sum of all of the values of all the observations divided by total number of observations. So sum of all observation divided by the number of observation is called mean. Next question, in a frequency distribution, the class having the maximum frequency. So class having the maximum frequency is called model class. The class which has the highest frequency is called the model class. Remember that. The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows. In the first match, the bowler took 2 wickets. Second match, he took 6 wickets. Third match, 4 wickets, and so on. So as we can see here, the maximum number of times he took 2 wickets. So 2 is repeated maximum times. The mode of this data has to be 2. Next, for some data x1, x2 are up to xn with respective frequency f1, f2 up to fn, the values of summation of fi multiplied with xi minus x dash or x prime. Here x prime is the mean. This will be equal to fi into xi summation of fi multiplied with x prime. Now the answer of this, and when you calculate this, it will be the same, and when we subtract same values we get 0. So here answer will be 0. The middlemost observation of every data arranged in order. So when you arrange any given data in order, supposing we have 5, this is arranged in ascending order. So the one which falls in the middle is called median. The middlemost observation is called median. The mean of first 10 natural numbers. The first 10 natural numbers 1 up to 10. If we add all the numbers and divide by 10, we will get the mean. So the sum of 1 up to 10 will be 55 divided by 10. 55 divided by 10 is 5.5. So the correct answer is 5.5. The difference between the minimum and maximum values. The difference between minimum and maximum values of data is called the range of the data. So answer is range. The value lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 is called class mark, or the mid value of a class. In a T20 international cricket match, a batsman played 40 balls and the runs scored are as follows. Out of the 40 balls, in 4 balls he did not score any run. 15 balls faced, he scored 1 run each. 5 balls faced, he scored 2 runs each time, and so on. And we have to find the probability that the batsman will score 1 or 2 runs. So 1 run he scored in 15 balls, and 2 runs is scored 5 times. So plus 5 divided by the total number of balls faced is equal to 40. So we'll get 20 divided by 40, and if we cancel, you'll get 1 by 2, hence the probability is 1 by 2. Next question, we have to write the formula for finding median. Now, formula to find median is equal to L, that is lower limit of the median class, plus n by 2, total number of observation divided by 2, minus the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class divided by the frequency of median class into the class size. So if you look here, the correct option is this one, L plus n by 2 minus C to age divided by F. It's not plus C, this is not the correct option. Correct option is A. Next question, you have to calculate the median of this data. First, in order to calculate median, you have to remember you have to arrange in ascending or descending order. So let's arrange in ascending or descending order. After arranging in ascending order, the one which falls exactly in the middle will be the median. Here, the one which falls exactly in the middle will be, since we have 9 number of observations, so 9 we cannot divide by 2, we'll add 1. Then 10 divided by 2, that is 5, or the fifth observation. We'll look for the fifth observation, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So you can see 16 falls exactly in the middle. So 16 will be the median. Next question, the mean of 6, 8, 5 and all these terms is 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observations. So mean is given to be 7. So mean means sum of all observations. So 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus x divided by the total number of observation. The total number of observation here is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The mean is equal to 7. So if we add all these numbers here, it will come to be 30 plus x. And if you cross multiply the 6 into 7, will make 42. So x will be 42 minus 30. Take plus 30 to the other side. So x will be 12. So the correct option is A, 12. Next question is similar to the previous one. Here the mean of all this observation is 10. Mean equals to 10. That means sum of all observation divided by the total of number of observation is 10. Here sum of all observation will be x plus 3 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 12 divided by the total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why 5 equals to 10. Now if we add 5x, 5 times x we have, and if we add all these numbers we will get 30, and this 5 will cross multiply with 10, will get 50. Then you take this plus 30 to the other side, it will become minus 30. So x will be 20 divided by 4. So the value of x will be 4. The correct option is 4. Which of the following is not the measure of central tendency? Mean is a measure of central tendency. This is also a measure of central tendency. This is also a measure of central tendency. Only standard deviation is not the measure of central tendency. The correct option is D. The formula for calculating mean, we know mean x bar or x dash equal to summation of fi xi by total number of observation or sum of all the frequencies. So the correct option is A. Next question, the data which has two modes. Two modes are bimodal. If we have many modes, we say multimodal. If we have only one mode, we say unimodal. So since we have two modes, it's bimodal.